Here I'm going to show you how to do a simple 3-strand braid. Everybody can do it. If you don't know how to do it, this will be a very easy explanation for you. This will give you a flat braid just like in the movie 10. Now, if you have really long hair, you can make either big braids, a couple of big braids, or you can make lots and lots of small braids. So here you have 3 strands. So you'll start off by taking 2 on one side and 1 on the other side. Take the top strand and move it over to the other side. It goes on the bottom of the other strand. You can't do it like this. It's got to go on the bottom. Then again, you take this top strand and you pull it on the other side, and again put it on the bottom. Take the top strand, move it over, put it on the bottom. Again, take the top strand from that side, put it on the other side on the bottom. Take the top strand again, put it on the other side on the bottom. Top strand, other side, 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 bottom. You already see how this is turning out flat here. As you practice more and more, you'll get faster and you'll learn how to use your other fingers. You'll learn how to use your other fingers to grab the strands. I use my 3rd and 4th finger to grab the strand that was transferred to the bottom, and then you move the other strand over with your index finger and thumb. But as you transfer it to the other side, you grab it right away between your 3rd and 4th finger. So you have a system going. Now, as you practice more and more, you'll get faster, your braids will be tighter. You want to tighten these as much as possible. These are commonly used for hair braiding. They work very, very well. Then at the end, you put a little rubber band if you want to keep the braid in place. If you're just making rope, so to make it stronger, then you want to maybe put something else on the end that's going to be a little bit stronger instead of just a rubber band. So thanks for watching, and happy braiding. This is flat. You have 3 strands woven into a flat braid.